Before buying a handlebar phone mount for your motorcycle, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many mounts look the same and make the same claims, but real users have hidden problems that you need to consider. Product number 1: Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. The Lamicall Bike Phone Holder caught my attention right away. Priced at just $14.99, this mount has a solid reputation with a 4.6-star rating from over 66,500 reviews. If you want a reliable way to keep your phone secure while riding, this is worth a serious look. With built-in rubber pads, your device is protected from scratches and vibrations, which is crucial when you're on the move. It fits a wide range of phones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including the latest iPhone models and Galaxy devices. Plus, the easy one-hand operation means you can adjust your phone to landscape or portrait without breaking a sweat. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's really straightforward. If you're someone who needs a mount that's quick to adjust, this might require a little patience initially. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, secure option that fits most smartphones. Skip this one if you need something that's super quick to install out of the box. For its price, it really delivers on value. Product number 2: LISEN Bike Phone Holder. Next up is the LISEN Bike Phone Holder, which is priced a bit lower at $12.99. With a similar 4.6-star rating from 6,500 reviews, it promises a super easy installation that really caught my eye. If you want a straightforward, budget-friendly option, this one might be for you. What's great about this holder is its ultra-secure grip that keeps your phone steady during high-speed rides. The built-in silicone design means you can install it in seconds without any tools, making life on the road a lot easier. Plus, it fits phones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, accommodating thicker cases too. This means you can enjoy your favorite tunes or GPS directions without worrying about your phone bouncing around. However, some users found that the grip isn't as tight as they expected on very bumpy roads. But honestly, as long as you secure it properly, it should hold up without a problem. For those who ride on smoother surfaces, this is less of a concern. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, easy-to-use mount that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're planning to tackle rough terrains regularly. Product number 3: JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount. The JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount is next. Available for $15.98, this mount has a 4.5-star rating with 15,700 reviews. What really intrigued me is its one-click auto lock feature that makes securing your phone super quick. It boasts military-grade anti-shake technology, ensuring your phone stays stable even at speeds up to 100 mph. The mount is also 360 degrees adjustable, so you can find the perfect viewing angle for navigation or music. Now, some folks reported that the auto lock sometimes gets stuck after multiple uses. But here's the thing, most of these issues seem to happen with heavy use over time, and if you're careful, it should be fine. It's designed to last, but it might not be for everyone. This is perfect for you if you want a secure and adjustable mount that makes accessing your phone a breeze. Skip this one if you prefer a mount that doesn't require any learning curve. Product number 4: Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder. Then we have another Lamicall offering, their motorcycle phone mount holder priced at $26.99. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 8,200 reviews, it features a patented anti-shake design that really piqued my interest. What sets this mount apart is its dual vibration dampeners, which significantly protect your phone's camera from vibrations while you ride. The sturdy construction ensures it can handle the bumps and jolts of the road, making it perfect for those long rides. It also fits a variety of phones from 4.7 to 6.7 inches and includes a one-hand operation feature for easier use. However, some users mention that it's a bit bulkier than other options. But honestly, if you prioritize stability and protection, this bulkiness can be a small price to pay for peace of mind while riding. This is perfect for you if you often ride on rough terrains and want something that protects your device well. Skip this one if you're looking for a more compact option. Product number 5. RAM Mounts Quick Grip XL Phone Mount. Finally, we have the RAM Mounts Quick Grip XL Phone Mount. At a higher price point of $69.99, it's a bit of an investment but boasts a 4.7-star rating from 1,700 reviews. If you're looking for something that's built to last, this might be your best bet. The ball and socket technology allows for near-infinite adjustability, ensuring you can find the exact viewing angle you need. Plus, it's built with high-strength composites, making it durable for even the toughest rides. The downside, it's more expensive than most mounts on this list. But here's the thing, if you're a serious rider who needs a mount that can withstand everything, it might be worth the extra cash. This is perfect for you if you're a heavy-duty rider with larger devices seeking durability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget but need something simpler. So there you have it. The Lamicall bike phone holder is great for budget-conscious riders, while the LISEN adds ease of installation. The JOYROOM is perfect if you want quick access, and the second Lamicall excels in stability. Finally, if you're seeking top-tier durability, the RAM mounts is your best option. Each has its strengths, and the right one for you ultimately depends on your riding style.